Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. If you haven't hit the subscribe button down below, make sure you click it. Today is the second last day of the giveaway. It ends tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. So you still have just over 24 hours to enter. Make sure you enter. I'll leave the link down below. I've got extra entries. Just make sure you read the description box and it'll tell you how to do everything. But today's video is about Priceline. So everyone's doing like Black Friday sales at the moment, and Priceline had a Black Friday sale. Majority of the makeup was 50% off. Heaps of skincare was 50% off. Other stuff was like a really good sale. I don't really go anywhere apart from the skincare and the makeup. Batiste dry shampoo was 50% off, I will tell you that. So I do know the sale ends today or tomorrow. I'll leave it on the screen, so make sure you get in quick and get your stuff. You can also order online at priceline.com. This sounds like an advert, but it's not. I also bought a bunch of other stuff over like the Black Friday period, so I will show you in a future video. This one's all about Priceline. Let's jump into the video. So I did just do an Australis full face, like get ready with me, it will be my next video. So I did buy a bunch of Australis stuff. So the first thing was the Australis AC on Tour contouring kit, and I've had this one before but it like smashed so I just picked myself up a new one. This one is pretty much like the Anastasia contour kit or any contour kit that you see. It comes with a pink and yellow brightening shade, a highlight shade for your face, and 3 contour and bronzer shades. Really nice packaging, really sleek, really affordable price. I feel like they blend quite well. They are really pigmented. The Anastasia Beverly Hills one I feel like is more like a buildable one. This just like tap, blend, go. Like it's really easy, really fast. I think this is a really good alternative to the Anastasia one if you can't like afford that one or can't get it like wherever you live. Try the Australis one. I think it's really good. So the next thing that I got is this palette here. I did get this like when they had like their Black Friday sales, but it wasn't on sale and I didn't get it in the store. I got it online, but it still counts, right? This is the Friends X Revolution palette. So Revolution came out with a collection with Friends. They had like a Monica, a Rachel, and a Phoebe palette, bunch of lip glosses. I don't know what else they had. Those palettes, like the packaging was really nice, but I would just never use the eyeshadows, so I figured I would go with this one. It's really cute. If you've seen my vlogs, you know that like I'm obsessed with Friends. I absolutely love it. This is what the palette looks like here. It says the one with, and then you open it and it's got a huge ass mirror. Like I don't want you to see what my room looks like, but it's like, it's massive. And it also flips around, so when I'm showing you the palette you don't get blinded. It's great. So these are the colors here. They are beautiful. It's definitely a palette that like I normally probably wouldn't buy. Like it's not the mixture of colors I would probably buy, but I'm really excited to try them out. And every shade in here is named after a character out of Friends. So if you've ever seen Friends, there's like the 6 originals. There's Janice, there's Paolo, there's Mindy, Mike, there's Ugly Naked Guy, there's Mr. Heckles, which is one of my favorite characters. You know, like I could have birds.
Hello, Mr. Heckles.
You're doing it again.
We're not doing anything.
You're stomping. It's disturbing my birds.
You don't have birds.
I could have birds.
It's a super gorgeous palette. I've never tried Revolution eyeshadows before, but I'm super excited to try them out. I just pretty much wanted this palette as like a collector's thing. I can use it as well because it's makeup. Got that one. It was I think $40, which is pretty high end for like an eyeshadow palette from Priceline I feel, but I think that was more like the brand. And as I said in the intro, I got a Batiste dry shampoo. This is the Coconut and Exotic Tropical scent. I used this one when I had pink hair, but now that I'm brunette, I wanted to try the brunette one, but it said it had like a slight tint in it, and I don't want my scalp being like white. So let me know down below if you've used that one. You have a similar hair color to mine and like it works for you, let me know. I honestly don't really care about the scent. I just don't want anything like floral, so I got tropical because it's a little bit more like fruity and citrusy. Anyway, it's dry shampoo because I wash my hair once a week. It's just so thick and so hard to wash, and I feel like it only gets greasy on like day 4, so I definitely want to stock up on one of these. Next thing I got was just a repurchase. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 10. I got this because I mainly want to bake with it. If I do like set my whole face, I probably will just use another powder I've got or just use a little bit of this. Got this one, not really much to say about it. I've had like 3 or 4 of them. I really like it. And then I got the Nude by Nature Natural Mineral Cover in the shade Medium Skin Tones, and you've probably seen what this looks. Actually, I don't think I've really ever used this on my channel before. This one and the Tarte Amazonian Clay like powder foundation, which by the way I got for like 50% off in Sephora the other day because they are discontinuing it. It's just rude. I'm probably the only one that uses it, but like still. So I'm going to have to be using this one, which is why I bought this one in a deeper shade. And it's just a powder foundation. It gives really good coverage. I find that when it's really, really hot and I'm like working, I get like sweat on the top of my mustache area and foundation like comes off there. I find that these like powder foundations are the only thing that doesn't leave like my skin underneath. It just like I can dab it, reapply some powder foundation, and I'm good to go, even if I'm sweating, which is really good. I find that liquid foundation just doesn't like stick there. Definitely this one I'm going to be using more often than the Tarte one. I just wish they would have the same sort of sieve thing like that the Tarte one does, so like the powder doesn't go everywhere. If you haven't tried this powder foundation, definitely go give it a go. It's like $40. It was half price, which is why I bought it. It does go on sale like every now and then, but even when it's $40, I'd still pay for it. It's still really good. So I also picked up an Australis metallic glitter eyeshadow thing in the shade Pearl Jammin'. It's what I'm wearing on my inner corners today. Love these, used these before. And I also picked up another Fresh and Flawless powder in the shade Natural. I do use medium deep, which is what I used today. I thought Natural was going to be too dark for me, but I feel like it might actually be too light. The shades in this, like deep tan, is like a medium skin tone. If you have really dark skin, you might not be able to use these. You might be able to bake with them, but I got another one of these powders. If you do have like a similar skin tone to mine or even lighter, definitely give them a go. They're really good. I also got the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 100 Ivory, and I used to have this like years ago when it was like a huge hype on YouTube, and I don't remember loving it like that much. I feel like the Fit Me one I like better, and the Master Precise, I don't know, the one in like the squeezy tube I love. It's just like a really shit like applicator because it's a squeezy tube. I just want to see if I like it again or if I don't like it. And I got two lip liners. I got a NYX lip liner in the shade Brunch Me. I'm pretty sure I actually have this lip liner, but it just looked like a really pretty shade. And then I got the NYX retractable liner in the shade Sand Beige. I just wanted like a darker nude. NYX lip liner is always really good. I really have no issues with them. And then I got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser Water Gel. It says effectively cleanses, removes makeup, boosts skin's hydration. It's got hyaluronic acid, dermatologically tested. But I saw another one and it said like you didn't have to rinse it off, and I was like, what the hell, like what is this? So I bought it, and then this one was next to it, and I thought, oh, you know, I need a new cleanser, I may as well give it a go. I like the Hydro Boost like moisturizer that they have. I just feel like I can't use it when it's like hot because I start sweating and then it gets kind of sticky, but I like it during winter. I love the blue color. It has a pump. Don't know, I'm really excited to try this out. This is the one that I was talking about. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser Gelee Milk. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It says effectively cleanses, removes waterproof makeup, boosts skin's hydration, no rinsing, and it has hyaluronic acid as well. The no rinsing like just really like intrigued me. I have used this twice. I used it last night and I used it this morning. It's pretty much like a milky sort of toner. When you put it on your skin, it feels a little bit weird with like a cotton pad, but then it dries like within 10 seconds or something like that. My skin does feel really nice afterwards. It doesn't feel like I've put an oil on or something like that, but it doesn't feel as stripping as sometimes a toner makes you feel. I did use this and then not moisturize afterwards, and I felt like I was fine. But I'm super excited to keep using this and see how I like it. It might be good like just to keep my hydration up throughout the day. So that's everything I purchased at Priceline. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out their sales, and a bunch of other places are having sales on makeup. I know last week Big W had like 50% off all makeup. Also got these really cute vanity mirrors. Also Kmart's coming out with some vanity mirrors. This is all on my Instagram. I'll insert like some little clips here so you can see, but yeah, check out my Instagram. Make sure you give me a follow because I do like post about sales. Like I don't make any money off it or anything like that. I just know that, you know, whenever a sale's going on, I always want to know what's going on and if I can get something cheaper. Make sure you follow my Instagram and subscribe down below. Again, I hope you're having a really great day or night, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.